So let's start off with a clean face. First, I'll apply the Lucas Papaw Papaya Ointment. Since these past 3 days, my lips had cracks and it helps in minimizing the wound. Now we'll apply a moisturizer. As usual, I have been using this M+ Madecasacid Cica Cream, which had been my miracle cream. It's super moisturizing and prevents pimples. For primer, I'm using my favorite Peach C makeup base. This primer is also really moisturizing and creates a really glowy and bright toned base. It also smells like real peach and doesn't make me break out. For my foundation, I'm using this cushion from Superface. Their Zoom In Mesh Cushion in the shade Natural. It has been a long time since I have used this cushion and I forgot how good this is. It gives you that natural finish, and this is the only cushion that I trust to give me that Korean glow but with my morena skin tone, and it also has that very buildable coverage. For blush, I'm using the EB Matte Color Sticks in the shade Dull Face. I usually blend it in using my fingers, that way I can control the placement of the products. On top of that, I'll apply the Careline Multi-Pot in abracadabra. This has that really strong red-pink color that is perfect for that blushed look. For any harsh edges, I'm going to go over the blush with the cushion. For my brows, I'm using the Penakle Brow Pomade in the shade VT. This is a really pigmented brow pomade and it's also really long lasting. Now I'll just follow the natural shape of my brows and then blend them all in using a spoolie. For eyeshadow, I'll first use the Beauty Cosmetics Stay It Twin Shadow and I'll apply the pink shade all over my lid and also blending the foundation creasing in my crease. Next, I'll be using the Bilena Uncover 2 palette. First, I'll use the matte pink shade and put it in the inner and outer V of my eyes. Next, I'll use the pink shimmer and using my fingers, I'll apply it in the mid part of my lid. For my eyeliner, I'm using the Maybelline Line Tattoo Crayon pen in dark brown. I'll first create the wing and slowly blending it in with my lash line. Next, I'll apply these false lashes I bought from Shopee. It doesn't have a brand but it's really good and I just try to customize it. Next is I'm contouring my nose with a cream contour for Maybelline. I try my best to use creams to maintain the glow on my face. For my lips, I'm using the EB Matte Color Stick in Rosy Hue once again. Then, on top of it, I'm using the Careline Multi-Pot in Abracadabra to create that rosy lips. After that, I'll apply the Papaw Papaya Ointment to add a little natural shimmer on my lips. Now we're done. I'll just fix my hair and I'll be back.
Baby shampoo, come and save me. I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places.
Baby! Thank you so much for watching and stay up for new videos every week. Bye!
Straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space, girl. Baby.